Ah, Lord. What are you doing in there? Oh, you're trying to dance with that cat? No, it's just that's a video. The cat can't even see you. Oh, don't get mad, Ort. It's not the cat's fault that he got recorded. Oh, hey, how about this? I've got a bit of time before I need to go and study. How about we make a cat that will dance back? Oh, how do we make a dancing cat? Well, that's simple, Ort. We're on the internet. We just need to go to the right website. And here we are. Welcome to Scratch. Now, this is a free website where we can create stories, games, animations, and dancing cats. Oh, how does the website make dancing cats? It's a good question, Ort. It uses something called block coding. Well, block coding is an easy way for humans to talk to computers. We build blocks of code into a language that the computer understands. It's how we tell the computer what we want. Oop, oop. Well, I know you want a dancing cat, but the problem is the computer doesn't know that yet. We need to tell it what we want. So, let's get started. Now, anyone watching should go to the Scratch website and follow along with us. Follow along, and honestly, you'll learn much faster. All right, Ort, ready to start creating? Very good. Dancing cats, here we come. Yes, that's right, Ort. We already have a cat waiting for us. Oh. Whoa, Ort, hold on there. The cat can't dance yet. It's just an image. What we need to do is use block coding to make him move. Ready to try? All right. Now, the most important button to remember is this green flag. Now, that there is our start button. And over here, this stop sign is our stop button. Anytime we start and stop, we need to push either of these buttons. Oh, Ort, hang on, wait. We can't start yet, Ort. We haven't actually built anything. All right, now, over on this part of the screen is called the stage. Anything that we build will show up here, which then leads me to this side. Now, this is where we build our blocks. What I can do is I can take any block that I want and drag it into the building area. Now we... Thank you, Ort. Now, this is called an event block. Now, what it does is it starts code. What I've done is I've chosen a when green flag is clicked block. Now, this tells the computer to start only when I press the green flag. Now, what I could also do is use when space key is pressed block. It does pretty much the same thing, starts the code, but this block only starts things when I press the space key. Make sense? Both are event blocks, and both start the code. Oh, well, it's a bit restless. Okay, I can see you're ready to start. Let's build.